welcome to my YouTube channel. In last lecture we have seen that how to add class and how to remove class on button click. But in today's lecture we will see a new method provided by JQuery, that is toggle class method, which provide like on and off. It's just work as a button or just like a turning light on and off in the same way. Let's see. By default I have added a class hi in this paragraph. And what is this hi? I have written the code of hi is here. Hi, background color is blue. The background color is blue in which this class is added. Let's run this in Chrome, okay, and see what is the default look. This is the default look. Currently it's looking like this, okay. Now let's change something. Now we will write a code which follows toggle, okay. So how to write it? First we select the paragraph. Which paragraph? The first one, okay. Now dot toggle class. This is a method which is provided by JQuery, okay. Toggle class, that is which class we want to toggle, that is hi. Now save it and just go to Chrome, refresh it and hit the button. Here you can see that when we hit the button, the class is removed from this paragraph, and again we hit the button, this class is added to this. This is called toggle, and with the help of this we can use both add and remove class in the same time with a single line of code. The problem with the add and remove class is resolved now. Thanks for the today lecture. Stay tuned to our channel, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.